Hi, today I'm show how to activate God's Eye mode in Windows 10. Right-click Create New Folder, copy this code in description, and rename the folder. Paste this code and hit Enter. Just look at this. With God's Eye mode, you can seamlessly navigate through different tasks, manage your files. If you enjoyed this video and found our content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by subscribing. You'll stay updated with all our latest videos and exciting content. Click that subscribe button now and join our amazing community.